Hi, my name is Nina Chong. I serve as Assistant Director for Community Government Relations at San Jose State University. Prior to my role there, I served in the State Assembly as well as Student Body President at San Jose State University, serving about 36,000 students. If I were to describe the book Applied Wisdom to someone who hasn't read it before, I would say that it's a playbook on leadership. And what that comes with that is cultivating organizations that are founded and central to relationship building, cultivating cultures of culture, cultures of care as well, and developing teams that really carry out their mission in a way that serves their constituents well in an intentional way. As a young woman working in the public sector and in higher education, I think there are moments where I have felt a little hesitancy and imposter syndrome, especially seeing myself as a leader. So Applied Wisdom really resonated with me because it affirmed a lot of the thoughts I've had in the past of cultivating systems of care, growing relationships with organizations, and making that the central part of team building. The conversations that we had today really resonated with me and also affirmed me and was a reminder that we are the leaders of tomorrow. Whether we're different backgrounds, women, man, I think that being in this space, especially with like-minded leaders, was just a great reminder that leadership can start from anywhere.